How do? It's Villordsutch here, and I've just got a letter. I've just got a letter. I've just got a letter. I wonder what it is. I got some birthday money left over from my sister-in-law, and I bought myself a treat. Shall we see what it is? I think I know what it is though. Let's open this carefully. Try not to cut my fingers. Not to cut the package. It is stuck in a box. What's in the box? Really stuck in a box. Well packaged. Still stuck in the box. Sinclair mug. Look at that. With 3 keyring. Ah, kapow. Let's go with that. Turn it around. Open the lid. Open the lid. What's in the box? This. Put it away. That's swish, isn't it? I am now in a nerd fraternity. Look at that. That's quite nice. From Retrotech, it would appear. Dishwasher safe. I don't have a dishwasher, so that doesn't mean crap all to me. What a lovely treat to buy myself with my birthday money. Retrotech. For all your Sinclair mug needs, it would appear. With 3 keyring. Kapow. That's a nice buy with my birthday money. Thanks. Bye everybody. Cheerio.